Hello kids, here we are with the next chapter of your English book, and that is how many. The fourth chapter it is how many. Now in maths you learn counting, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. How do you use it? Just to tell that how many things you are having. Suppose you take 2 pencils to your class, then what do you say? I have 1, 2, 2 pencils. Okay, you have suppose how many students are there in your class? How many friends do you have? So all you use your numbers, your maths, the numbers that you learn in maths to tell those things. Okay, so tell how many do you have, how many friends do you have, how many pencils you have, how many books do you carry to your school. So here also we are having Bruno, who tells about how many things does he have. Okay, so let's read the poem and count with him how many things does he have. Okay, now I am little Bruno, short and fat. So he describes himself how he is. He is short and fat. Just see how short and fat he is. Okay, we are given the picture of Bruno, and he is very short and fat. Now look at my face and my two bright hats. So how many hats is he having? Just see, one hat he has put on his head, and the other hat is in his hand. So he is having two hats. So what did he say about his hats? That he is having two hats, and those are of bright colors. Okay, one is blue and one is pink color. So two bright hats. I have a nice big smile. So just see at the big smile that he is giving. I have a nice big smile and a big nose. So such a big nose also we are having. He is having. We are having such a short nose, but Bruno is having such a big nose. So, and big brown shoes covering my toes. So let's see also he is having big brown shoes which he is wearing in his toes, and he is showing us that he has got two big brown shoes that are covering his toes. Okay, we too wear, when we go to school we too wear shoes. Okay, so he is also showing his brown shoes. So I am little Bruno, short and fat. Look at my face and my two bright hats. I have a nice big smile and a big nose, a big brown shoes covering my toes. So he is having shoes and a pair of shoes, two bright hats, a big smile and a big nose. Okay, so here let's see what is asked for us to do now. Now count and tell how many of the following does Bruno have. So how many hats does he have? So what we'll write here, he has two hats. Okay, the spelling of two is already given in the poem, and that is TWO. So we'll just write here he has how many hats? Two hats. And nose, how many nose does he have? We also have one nose, and Bruno also has one nose. So we'll just write here one nose, O-N-E, one. Yeah, he is having one nose. And shoes, now shoes is asked here. Okay, now he is wearing shoes in both of his toes, isn't it? So we can't say that he has one shoe. Okay, he is wearing a pair of shoes. Okay, whenever two things are together we call it as a pair. Okay, so here what we'll write, in shoes a pair. Okay, or one pair. He is having one pair of shoes, P-A-I-R, one pair of shoes. So that is how Bruno describes himself, that he is short and fat. He is having two bright hats, one big nose and a big smile, and brown shoes that are covering his toes. Okay, so once more we'll just go through these lines. I am little Bruno, short and fat. Look at my face and my two bright hats. I have a nice big smile and a big nose, a big brown shoes covering my toes. Okay, now let us move further. Here we are having Jumbo. Okay, previously there was Bruno, and here we are having Jumbo. You have seen Jumbo movie is also there, in which there is an elephant whose name is Jumbo. Okay, so here also we are having a baby elephant whose name is Jumbo. Okay, so what does Jumbo say? what does the poet say? This is Jumbo, he has two eyes. So here we are having Jumbo who is having two eyes. Okay, he is having two eyes, and here also is there is another pic of Jumbo. He is having two eyes. He has one long nose, one long nose. All elephants have such a big trunk, and that is their nose. So he is having such a long nose. He has two big ears. Elephant's ears are such a big one, so he is saying that I am having two big ears. Okay, so what does the poet says? This is Jumbo, he has two eyes, he has one long nose, he has two big ears. So everything is described here as how many they are having. So how many eyes does he have? Two. How many nose does he have? One. And how many ears does he have? Two. Okay, now let's see what further Jumbo is having. Now Jumbo is here going somewhere with while going he is eating banana, and he is having few bananas in his basket also. Okay, so let's see how many bananas he is having. Okay, so let's see here what is given. Jumbo loves banana. So elephants, we also know that elephants love banana very much. So Jumbo loves bananas. He has 5 bananas. Okay, so it is said that he is having 5 bananas, but I think we can see only 4 here. Let's see further. He eats one. So he had 5 bananas, he ate one. Okay, so he eats one, now he has 4. So previously he had how many bananas? 5 bananas, but then he eats one, and now how many are in his basket? He has only 4 bananas left now. Okay, yes, now let's see further. Where does Jumbo go now? Now here he is standing near a tree. Now let's see what does he see there. Jumbo sees 4 apples. Okay, there are 4 apples in the trees. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many apples? 4 apples. He sees 1 monkey. So 1 monkey is standing here. How many monkeys? Only 1 monkey is here. He sees 3 birds. So how many birds we can see here? 1, 2 and 3. 3 birds. Jumbo sees 3 birds, 4 apples and 1 monkey. He claps his hands. Okay, how many hands do we have? 2 hands we have. So he claps. What do we do with our hands? We clap with our hands, we tap with our toes. So here he is having 2 hands and he claps with the hands. 2 birds fly away. When Jumbo claps, then there is a noise, and that noise frightens the birds and they fly away. But all 3 do not fly. How many birds fly away? 2 birds fly away. So 2 birds are flying and 1 is still sitting here in the tree. So 2 birds fly. Now when out of 3, 2 fly away, then how many are left here? Only 1 is left here. So now there is 1. What is this 1 for? The 1 is for the bird. So how many are left? 1 is left. Yes. So here Jumbo sees 4 apples, he sees 1 monkey, he sees 3 birds, he claps his hands, 2 birds fly away, now there is 1. So what was there in the beginning? There were 4 apples and 3 birds and 1 monkey. So he claps his hands, he has 2 hands and 2 legs, so he claps his hands, and because of that noise, the 2 birds fly away and 1 is still sitting in the tree. Okay, so 1 is left there. Now let's see that we have already read the chapter. So let's see in the exercises what are the questions that are asked to us. So what we are asked, how many birds are there on the tree? We have already discussed twice. There are 3 birds in the tree. Why do the birds fly away? Why did the birds fly away? Because Jumbo clapped, so the birds fly away. They heard the noise, they got frightened and they flew away. Okay, now read and answer. Here we are having true or false to do. Write T for the sentence that is true. Jumbo has 5 bananas. Is it true? Yes, Jumbo had 5 bananas. 1 he was eating, so he was left with 4. So actually he had how many bananas? 5. So here we'll write T for true. There are many monkeys on the tree. Were there monkeys on the tree or were there apples on the tree? There were apples and birds on the tree, and there was no monkey on the tree. Monkey was standing besides the tree. Okay, so there are not many monkeys also. There is only 1 monkey. Okay, so this sentence is not true, so we will not write anything here. The first sentence was true, so we will write T there. There is one bird on the tree, again it is not true. How many birds were there? Yes, 3 birds were there. So there are 3 birds on the tree. So this is also not true. We will leave blank here, we won't write anything. Jumbo has one big ear. Jumbo has 1 ear. How many ears do you have? We all have 2 ears, so Jumbo also have 2 ears. So this is also not true. Only one sentence is true. Jumbo has 5 bananas. So there we will write true, and others we will leave blank because they are all not true. Tick the things Jumbo sees. Now what did Jumbo see there? Apple, yes, so we will tick here. Kite, no, Jumbo did not see the kite there, so we'll leave it blank. Did Jumbo see any cat there? No, we'll not put the tick. Did Jumbo see 3 birds? Yes, of course. So we'll put a tick here. So we'll put a tick here as well as in apples, because Jumbo saw apples as well as birds. Think and answer. So just let us see what are the questions asked. What does Jumbo love? We are already given what does Jumbo love. What does Jumbo love? Jumbo loves. What do elephants love? Jumbo loves banana. We are given here. Jumbo loves bananas. So the answer will be Jumbo loves bananas. Let's see now what is the next question. Who claps loudly? So who clapped? Jumbo clapped. So Jumbo clapped loudly. How many monkeys does Jumbo see? Jumbo saw only 1 monkey. So what is the answer here? Jumbo saw 1 monkey. Okay. So with this we complete the chapter. Hope you understood it well. Okay. So we'll just see you in the next lesson, and that is the chapter 4. So do not forget to watch the video and also subscribe for the channel. Okay. Thank you.